PhilGold Processing and Refining Corporation owns and operates a gold mine on Masbate Island province in the Philippines. Due to its remote location, the mine relies on its own power generation. This energy independency makes it critical to have a reliable power plant supplying energy for the mine at all times. To gain peace of mind, PGPRC partnered with Wärtsilä in 2009. While Wärtsilä manages the optimal power generation, PGPRC has been able to fully focus on its production targets.
For the past 10 years, Wärtsilä Philippines have been involved with us here at Masbate, conducting the maintenance and operations of our powerhouse. A great partnership and a job well done.
Wärtsilä is responsible for guaranteeing the availability and reliability of power at the mine and ensuring efficient operations of the power plant. PGPRC has seen the efficiency as savings in fuel and operating cost. In addition, the mine is now producing less emissions. During the years, the agreement has been further customized to meet the evolving needs of PGPRC, for example, by defining performance guarantees together. With Wärtsilä Lifecycle Solutions, PGPRC as well as other mining companies can benefit from reliable, efficient and cost-effective power that reduces the environmental impact of the operations throughout the installation lifecycle.